What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks, and yeah, we got a little unboxing, guys. We do have a giant box. And let's see what we got, you guys. Let's see what we got. Wait, I don't think I created a thumbnail, so let's do a thumbnail real quick. The Nike second. All right, yeah, now that we got that thumbnail, let's open it up, you guys. We actually have two items, and yeah, I thought it was interesting because some of it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise. Regular Nike box, and I wanted to show you guys this. A lot of you guys are gonna recognize this box. Make sure they send me the right size. And we got another one of the LeBron 7s, you guys. LeBron 7 Fairfax. And I did do a review. I'll put a link right there. The reason I reordered these is not because I doubled up, because I don't think... I thought about it. I just don't wear my sneakers often enough. This is going to last for years and years and years. So I didn't really want to double up just because, I don't know, spending $3-4 bills was just way too much on this sneaker. But yeah, these went on sale. I bought it 28 days before I saw these on sale. And yeah, you have 30 days to return the sneakers. I had never worn them, returned them, bought another one, and I got these for $250. So I returned my previous ones and I ordered another one, got them for $150, got $50 off. And yeah, now I got a clean pair. Got another clean pair. But yeah, saved $50. One of my boys actually, I contacted a couple of my buddies that actually bought the shoes, and I said, hey, it's on sale. If you guys want to go return it, do what I did, save $50. Yeah, and then one of my boys actually called Nike, and he actually said, hey, can you guys just issue me a refund, because it doesn't make any sense for you to send me the shoe and then I have to send another one. You guys waste money on shipping stuff. And he said that they would be willing to give him a $50 refund. So in the future, yeah, I'm just gonna do that. But yeah, you live and you learn, you guys. You live and you learn. All right, so let's open up the second box, you guys. Second box. This is a Nike Air Max 98. And yeah, some of you guys who watch all my outlet videos, we did see this at the outlet. But yeah, they were on sale. Had to get them, you guys. Had to get them. I think these are the, I don't know what the hell these are, but I call them the Nike Air Max Cork, because it does have a bunch of cork. I don't know the official name of these. Hopefully I can get these and write it down on the bottom. But yeah, it has something to do with New Year, because it does say New Year, and it does say just do it in the inside. But yeah, these are just awesome, you guys. These are fire. I'm loving the cork. The cork, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been too much of a fan of sneakers with cork in it. They've done it with a couple of the LeBron series. They've done it with the Air Max 90s. They've done it with the Air Force Ones. They've also done it with the SB Dunks. They've also done it with the Janowski. And even a really limited Air Max 90. So, you know, they've had quite a few pair of sneakers with the cork on it. I like this one because it's not overly done with the cork. I don't know how durable cork is. I think, you know, if cork gets too dry, it does tend to break down and stuff. But I guess you could say the same with leather. I really love the red lines as well as the gold lines. It does have newbuck in between as well, so I do like the different materials. It has a hit of patent leather on the bottom, which is fantastic. It also has that cork. It has like a lighter gum bottom, not a traditional gum bottom, but slightly a lighter color gum bottom. And yeah, I'm loving the different colors. I think the colors really complement each other. I don't think they overdid it with any of the one materials. I do think that they spread the love with the different materials, and I think it mixes really, really well. I'm a huge fan of these. I'm a huge fan of these. I am a huge fan of the Air Max 98s. They are one of my favorite 98s. They're not as comfortable as some of the newer ones. I think the Air Max 2016s are a little bit more comfortable, but I think these look a hell of a lot better. I do have to say, I think out of all the Air Maxes, I think the 98 is the nicest ones. I also like the 97s. I think those are my second, and then it kind of goes down from there. The 2017s, the Air Max 90s, Air Max 1s, and whatnot. Holy crap, I just realized the patent material is like an iridescent material. Yeah, that is hella dope. There are slight markings on mine, but I'm not going to return them just because, yeah, I don't even know if the sale's going on, that type of stuff. But yeah, these are hella dope. Yeah, these are hella dope. The full length Air, I'm a sucker for full length Air. If any sneaker does have full length Air, I'm gonna check it out because I just love that look. It's not the most comfortable, not the most technologically advanced cushioning, but it is hella dope. Yeah, because these also have full length Air as well. Many of you guys know I am kind of new to collecting sneakers. I don't have the craziest collection quite yet. It's getting there. It's getting there because I've bought quite a few. The only other Air Max 98 that I have are these inside out. I haven't done an official review of these, but yeah, I think everybody's kind of seen these and whatnot. So I'll kind of show them off when I do my collection video. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. I did see these at the outlet. I saw them at the outlet one time. You know, the retail I believe is $1. Oh, these are $1.70. I thought the 98s were $1.60. These were $1.70. I did see these at the outlet for like $129 with what 20% off. So I saw them a little over $100 or right around $100. They did go on sale a couple weeks later, and I do appreciate some of the viewers who did let me know about that. I didn't have the funds at that time, but yeah, especially with saving $50 off of those LeBrons, man. I pretty much just put it in here, and these cost me $50 more than when I bought the LeBrons, because yeah, I ended up saving $50 off of that, put it on here, only $50 more. So yeah, hell of a deal, you guys. Let me know what you think about these. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. I'll show you guys an on foot, and hope you guys enjoyed, you guys.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
In terms of fit, these definitely fit true to size. I actually do have a size 10. I have one size 10, 11. I bought these at the outlet. I bought these for like, it was under $70. It was like $60-something. That's the reason why I caught these. But if you haven't tried the Air Max 98, I definitely think they fit true to size. I'm kind of in between a 10 and 10.5. Pegasus, I wear size 10.5. Dunk Low, I wear size 10. And the LeBrons, I wear size 10.5. Just for you guys to have some sort of reference point if you guys own any of these pair of sneakers. But yeah, if you guys haven't copped one of these, go ahead, get yourselves one. Try to find a deal. You know, we're always looking for deals, right? So yeah, cop these for, like I said, under $100. Definitely sweet. I think Nike had a 25% off. All their sales and everything else, and they already had a sale, so they did have another 25% off. That was hella sweet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go ahead, help your boy out, smash that like button, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button and click on that notification bell, because I do try to drop as many videos. Lately I haven't been dropping as many, but I'll definitely be on it. I do primarily hit up Nike outlets, and I'm also doing other sneaker videos as well. Yeah, so thanks for joining, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Whew. That's what was under the sneakers the entire time, you guys. Couldn't, it is a puzzle. I think it was, what, 300 pieces? Didn't want to mess it up because I don't want to piss off the family. So, yeah, I just did my sneaker review right above it today.